Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to start a new topic, that is silent consonant letters. Students, in this video lecture, we are going to read that which consonant is silent in which word. So student, we are going to start with the consonant B. So here we will read that B word is silent in which letter and when. Students, B is silent before T in the following words. For example, DEBT, date. Here B is silent. How it is pronounced? Date. Now next word is student, dater. Next word here, indated. Next word student, indatedness. So student, here B is completely silent. Now next group of word, doubt. Next word is undoubtedly. Now next word is student, shuttle. Here subtlety. Student, so we got here that in these words the letter B is silent. Once again student, date, dater, indatedness, indated, indatedness, doubt, undoubtedly, shuttle, subtlety. Now student, but it is however pronounced in subtlety. Subtlety. Here B is pronounced. Now next word is subterfuge. Subterfuge. Here again B is pronounced. Now student, it is silent after M. B is silent after M in the following word. B is silent after M, means B comes when after M it is silent. For example, bomb. Here B is silent. Bombing, bomber. Climb, climbing, climber. Comb, crumb, dumb, dumbness, dumb show, dumbfound. Once again student, bomb, bombing, bomber, climb, climbing, climber. Comb, again here it is only comb. Crumb, dumb, dumbness, dumb show, dumbfound. So here the letter B is silent after M. Now student, next one here in the same series, when B comes after M. For example, lamb, limb, numb, numbness, plum, scrum, thumb, thumbscrew, tom, womb. So student, here we got that B is silent after M. This letter is however pronounced when it occurs between M and L. Which letter? B. Student, B is silent. B is however pronounced. It is pronounced. B is pronounced when it occurs between M and L. For example, crumble, crumble. Here B comes where? Between M or L. So It is pronounced here. Crumble, gamble, jumble, nimble, fumble, humble, mumble, tumble. Student, here we got that B comes between M and L and it is pronounced here. Now, student, it is also pronounced in the following words. For example, amber, bombardment, bombard, clamber, combat, iambic, timber, number. Student, so in these words here, after M it is, B is after M, but it is pronounced. Here again it is after M, but it is pronounced. So these words are here exception when B comes after M and it is pronounced. Now student, second consonant we are going to read D. Because C is pronounced in different way, so we will read also C. But first of all, we are going to read here D, that where D is silent. So student, it is nearly always silent in the following word. First word is handkerchief. Hanker, here D is silent. Handkerchief. Handsome. Handsome. Now, it is often silent in many other words which occur between N and other consonant letter. N and other consonant letter. For example, here grandson, grandchild, grandfather, granddad, grandcuff, handful, handmade, sandbag, sandpaper, sandstorm, sandstone, sandwich. So student, sometimes we make a mistake here to pronounce these words. So we have to pay attention here that DH often silent in many other words when it comes between N and other consonant letter. So in these student, in these word, D comes where? Between N and other consonant letter. Once again, I am pronouncing the word grandchild, grandfather, handful, sandbag, sandstorm, granddad, handcuff, handmade, sandpaper, sandstone, sandwich. So student, here these are the words where D is silent. Now student, D is silent before J in the following word. D is silent before J when it comes before J. For example, adjacent, adjective, adjourn, adjourn, adjudge, adjudicate, adjunct, adjure, adjutant. So student, here where D comes before J, DJ, here again DJ, here again DJ, here again DJ, here again DJ. So all the words followed what? D, and after that there is J. That's why D is silent in these words. Now student, it is usually silent in Wednesday. It is here, D is silent here. How it is pronounced? Wednesday. It is here, D is silent, and that's why what it is pronounced? Wednesday. So student, here we have got that D is silent in the words, in the following words. So we have to follow the rules. So thank you student for watching the video. If you like it, like my channel, subscribe it and share it with your friends and relative. In the next video, students, I will come with another consonant letter, so keep watching my videos.